Hi there, I'm Louix Dor Dempriey, and I would love to tell you about our New Year's Eve retreat this year, which we're going to have it here stateside in the US this time. And it's going to be held at the gorgeous Cheyenne Mountain Resort in Colorado Springs, Colorado, right at the base of Pikes Peak, at the base of the Rockies. It's really, really beautiful. It's a big 200-acre property, has a beautiful spa, has an outdoor heated swimming pool that people use all winter long. We're going to be there for 6 glorious days and 5 nights. It's a live-in retreat, and sometimes we have 10 and 12 countries represented from people all over the world. It's really, really a lot of fun. We always have at least 90% repeats, so there's a real feeling of camaraderie and family. And it's a lot of fun too. There'll be discourses, teachings on various subjects, a lot of life coaching, counseling, helping people solve their problems, and guidance through parenting, relationship, career, finance, health, nutrition. We have guided meditations, silent meditations. We have a live band performing and playing world devotional music. So we'll have kirtan and bhajans. We have live entertainment. I always bring in some surprise entertainers. We have a movie night. We'll have some time on the earth. The countryside is gorgeous there. It's only a 10-15 minute drive up into the snowy mountains. We picked a really special place this year, something different. So I hope you will join us, spread the word, tell others. And it's going to be after Christmas and on either side of New Year's Eve. And I'm going to give a lot of guidance and steering and coaching for people into the next year, how to make the most and the best of the year to come. So I hope you'll be there with us, and I hope to see you in December. Namaste.
How are you feeling after the retreat?
I feel so grateful. All I ever wanted in my whole life was to have my heart open, and my guru's done it. He's excavated far enough that I can now feel my love and my heart and this beautiful life that I lead. I could die now, I am so happy.
I think the creation of safety and the way that Pranananda gives you nothing but unconditional love, and the degree to which he can do that, which is something I've never experienced.
I just watch how that energy just pours through the room and how it touches people's hearts, and especially my own.
What got you here?
Well, I've walked with Louis for 14 years, and I can easily say they have been the best years of my life.